we're going to start popping these trim pieces off. This one too. There's a bolt on the back end of that one, but these are pretty much clipped on from what I believe. So gently. Oh, yeah, they come right off. You like push down and then roll it up and it comes off. Look at that. Getting there. My plan of right now is to take all these off. I'm going to fill these holes. I'm not going to have any trim. I think I'm going to smooth it. I'll just do wheel well trim. But there's a trim that goes on the bottom that was already taken off of this car. I have them in storage, but I think I'm going to go with a no trim look. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. I'll keep plugging along. I believe the doors are the same way. Let's see. Yep, looks like the doors are the same way. Move the camera over a little bit. Back on. Okay. So, I gotta watch that wire. Okay, can't close the door all the way because of that. Let's see how we do here. I'm pretty surprised at how easy this comes off. Gotta watch you don't bend it. It's very thin. If I don't use them, I'm sure somebody else can take them. So I'll sell them. One last clip, gotta be a pain in the butt. There we go. Boom. Okay. And I'm not sure how these clips come out of here. I don't know how these come off. So guys, I just wanted to show you real quick. This tool, part of a Harbor Freight kit, believe it or not. These clips that I was popping off, it was getting behind them, and it would squeeze the two tabs that held it in the door panel. And then the last two that I did, this sits in the door panel. I just actually squeeze them with my finger and they pop right out. But you just squeeze them and they slide right out. Just wanted to show you that real quick. All right, we're just going to continue on doing the same thing on the passenger side. This one, the door trim. Then after that, I'll pop the rear wheel trim off of that side. Now I'm thinking I'm going to pull out the cardboard and stuff from back here. Get that out of the way. Like I said, I got somebody who's going to give me some pointers and tips on cutting out the floor and stuff before I do it, because there's a couple of like hollow voids that I got to deal with around by the body mount. So I want to make sure I got somebody who knows what they're doing to kind of guide me along with that. All right, thanks guys.